Why choose minimalism for family travel?
Minimalism helps families travel with less stress and more freedom. By simplifying what you pack and prioritizing experiences over possessions, you avoid overload and make room for real adventures. Less stuff means lighter bags, faster packing, and happier travels. Embracing minimalist principles leads to more meaningful memories and less time spent worrying about lost or forgotten items.
How to pack strategically.
Start with versatile clothing that can be mixed and matched for different occasions and weather. Limit shoes and bulky items. Choose multi-use toiletries and compact games or entertainment. Packing cubes and checklists help keep things organized. Focus on essentials for each family member, leaving space for souvenirs or unexpected finds. The goal? Bring what you really use and skip the rest.
Minimalist packing for kids.
Packing light with children is possible. Involve kids in choosing their favorite essentials. A few outfits, one comfort item, and compact entertainment. Skip rarely used toys or extras. For babies and toddlers, plan for easy-to-wash outfits and bring only must-have gear. Rely on local solutions like laundry services or buying diapers at your destination to reduce what you carry.
Planning simpler itineraries.
Minimalist travel applies to planning too. Avoid cramming every day with activities. Instead, pick a few key experiences, allowing for downtime and flexibility. This prevents overwhelm and leaves room for spontaneous fun. Choose accommodations with laundry or kitchens for even more simplicity. By slowing down, your family can better connect and enjoy the journey together.
Benefits beyond the suitcase.
Traveling minimally teaches valuable lessons about needs versus wants. It fosters independence, adaptability, and gratitude in every family member. With fewer distractions, everyone can focus on what matters, exploring new places and spending quality time together. By packing and planning with less, your family can travel lighter, simpler, and with a greater sense of freedom and joy.